MB Trucker 68 here. It's now Thanksgiving morning, barely after midnight. And yes, I'm working today. Just want to tell everybody happy Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoy time with your family, friends, and a lot of people are reuniting. Haven't seen family in, probably for the past year and stuff like that. So I hope everybody, having a good time, safe flight for everybody, and all that type of stuff. So I'm about to get ready to start work, and just thought you guys know. Well, you guys enjoy your families and everything, and I'll probably report back a little soon. All right. MB Trucker 68. Hello everyone. This is MB Trucker 68. I'm here. This is Thanksgiving morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:15 California time, and I'm almost here at Ross Shafter. I'm actually doing some port work today. I didn't go to the port, but you ain't gonna be really hard to see me, so I'll just show you guys the road while I talk. You can see the road better, and yeah, that's Target. And you guys know Target. That's the Target DC right there. That's their distribution center. This is Shafter, California. I'm at right now currently, and yeah, I do mostly Ross Shafter, which is like probably about a mile from here. You'll see I'm about to turn right here. But just want to talk a little bit, let you know I'm here. But yeah, I do some container stuff, port work also. I do rail and port. Those are my main. That's all I do for the most part. I'm probably gonna show you guys the port later on when I go back, because I have to go back there right now to show you the area. But yeah, so it's just Target. You can see the Target sign right there. It is Target right there. That's a Target sign. There. And you can see Ross is coming up here in about, it's about a mile up. 1 mile up here. And here's the Ross Shafter. See, nobody's out. It's Thanksgiving morning. Just very few people is out right now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my, where I'm at up here. And I forgot to let you guys know that for lunch today, that I brought, instead of, I showed you lunch of the day, but I only bought 2 sandwiches today. The same thing, spinach, tomato, onion, and I put Miracle Whip in there for mine. I didn't have no avocado today because my avocado went bad, so no avocado today. And then I bought a banana and 2 apples, so that's my lunch right now. Okay, Ross is coming up right there. Yeah, you ain't gonna really be able to see it that good, but that's that. So just wanted to discuss what lunch, and today is Thanksgiving, so you best to believe that hey, I'm gonna eat away just like everybody else. It's like I tell you guys before, it's okay to eat and all that stuff, but hey, because I have a lot of friends like, oh, I'm gonna go on a diet after Thanksgiving or after this. It doesn't matter. So you can actually go on, not a diet. Let me take that back, because I'm not on no diet. I don't even think I ever phrased that for everybody. I'm not on a diet. I'm on just, changing the way I eat plan for everybody. I haven't cleared that up yet. But see, here's Ross right there. You can't really see it. That's the Ross sign right there. And pulling in here right now. Yeah, there's Ross all over there. Yeah, just dropping off port and everything. It's all right there. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you guys this. I'll probably show you, I may show you a little bit about the port area. They're closed today, but I have to take a empty trailer back there. So I'll show you guys that. But this is it right here. So I just want to. But yeah, so that's the thing, but I gotta tell some of my friends, you don't have to wait until the holidays is over to, because hey, like I said, at a 7-day rolling period, It's where it's important. I mean, you know, in 7 days, you eat bad 1 or 2 days in 7 days, trust me, you can still do good and lose weight. So there we go right here. So pulling up, see right here. The guard shack is coming up there. See up there. And I got one of my boys calling right now. He's out there heading to Mississippi right now. But yeah, just wanted to just touch base with everybody. So, all right, well, I will be back to you guys momentarily here. All right, well, you know, once again, you guys enjoy your Thanksgivings and everything, and enjoy your family. But I will report back again later. Okay. Here we go. NB Trucker 68. I'm going to show you guys. I'm already getting towards the port. Show you what all the ports are closed, but I'm already about to go over a pretty tall bridge, and I can show you guys a little aerial view of the port over here. Out here in Southern Cal, Long Beach, San Pedro, California. Right here, I know that sun is kicking butt. Y'all can see that bridge up ahead. I'm about to go over that bridge right there. Y'all can see that bridge over there. We're climbing that bridge right now. Some stuff over there. Going over that bridge right now. Evergreen over there. There's a ship. You can see that ship. That's Evergreen. Over there. Sometimes the line to these ports can be, just to get to the port, it could be excessive over a mile just to get in. Let everybody know these ports they're pretty crazy at times. Some pretty crazy lines. There's another one over there. All I do is they got guys that go in the port, drop the they go get the loads for me, and I just go to a drop yard and pick them up, because I'm not going in the port. I'm not about to go spend 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to go pick up a load. I don't do that. So, all right, well, I just want to give you guys a little tour, or a little aerial view of what it looks like here. Okay. Trucker 68. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We're about to have our dinner here at the family. And just want to just check in. And like I said, today, no exercise, no nothing. Don't care about all that. Just gonna eat. And like I said, it's okay. And I guarantee you, I'm still gonna lose weight in the process. So today's Thanksgiving. Don't care about that. Hope everybody have a happy Thanksgiving with your families, friends, and all of that. And I'm about to just show all the food I'm about to have, and I'm just gonna just grub like it ain't no tomorrow. There we go. See, that's a little family member right there. Say hello. And this is a soon-to-be bride right here.
Should we put this apple cider in the freezer maybe? Get it nice and cold? Yeah. I got one regular and then
Watching a football game.
Yeah? Start a new football game?
I make plates or?
How about them Cowboys losing so bad?
I know, man. Don't even remind me.
It's all right, though. I like
So
Chargers.
you want me to microwave it?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, maybe you can put your paper tape below it. Paper tape below it.
The dog.
The boys smile. You guys, one. Mason, look up. 2, 3. Smile. Mason, smile. Hold me over here.
You little Pepsi Max.
Got some turkey, macaroni and cheese. Got some ham.
You know how
Got some mashed taters,
and his eyes
baked
shut.
beans, and some
Literally
tri-tip.
15 times out of
That was
20.
smoked. That was smoked tri-tip.
I didn't understand.
Hold on, baby.
I was like, just keep your eyes open. For who? We tried taking that picture of him. His eyes were open 15 times. Like,
Okay, well, everybody take care. Hope you guys had a good holiday. I worked this morning, I'm sure you guys seen it, but it ended up pretty good. All right, well, you guys take care and enjoy. Well, this is the aftermath of the food. Put a dent in everything. I'm about to have myself a little toast here.
Oh my gosh! Oh, you look like that
Good
Good, huh?
stuffing.
Oh, good.
Again, this is Thanksgiving, and no exercise, or no plan on doing no exercise today.
Hey, don't hide your face. Don't hide your face.
machine right there.
Oh, are you okay? Are you okay?
How you doing, Max?
It's getting way too rowdy, you guys. Everybody calm down. Alright, well, don't drink them yet. No one drinks these yet. Well,
I'll take one. I'll take one back out.
yeah. Don't drink it yet. I know you.
Why?
Don't drink it yet.
I'm grateful all the kids are healthy, except Kyle. He got hurt, but otherwise from that, everybody's doing good.
Yeah.
And they're all growing good.
Yeah. You guys want to talk?
Okay.
Who's
You guys want
next?
to talk? Say something. Mason, you want to?
Grandma, you want to go?
You want to go?
Say what you're thankful for. Go where?
Just
No.
say what you're
Say what you're thankful for.
Say what you're thankful for. Say what you're thankful for. Thankful for what?
What are you thankful for in life?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have any life.
Living every day?
Yeah. I'm
All
okay.
right.
Family.
Alright. I'll go. I'm very thankful that I got a second chance at life because I lost it completely. And I got everything back. And I'm happier than ever. And my life is thriving. And I'm happy to spend Thanksgiving here with all of you.
All
Here, here,
right.
here. Next.
I'll go next. I'm thankful for everyone to come together on a special day such as today, and just get together and just hang out and love each other. I love it.
Here, here.
You're here.
All right.
Diddy, diddy.
Do you want to go, Mace? What are you thankful for, Mason? You're what? Pigs in his hermit crab.
Okay,
Ooh, all
okay.
right.
All right. All
Sandy,
right.
what are you thankful for, baby? You're thankful for Chuck E. Cheese. All right.
She's thankful for Chuck E. Cheese.
All right. I love you.
Abby, what are you thankful for? To go bye-bye.
Go bye bye. Oh, good one.
Mal, what are you thankful for?
Kind of stole mine.
Well, you can say the same thing, girl.
the same thing for getting my life back and for the life that I have today.
All right.
Hey.
All right.
And you got your own apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her own apartment. May, what are you thankful for, baby
I
girl?
love you.
For mommy. Good.
Okay, there we go. That's
I love
good.
you so much,
Mal,
Sadie.
what are you thankful for?
To Mason.
Bex?
Molly?
You can't sit?
I'm thankful for family and all our beautiful, healthy children.
Yeah.
there
Here,
you go.
here.
Colby?
Oh,
Thankful for gravity. It keeps me grounded.
All
right.
Okay.
All right.
okay, gravity, okay. Beth.
Beth.
Life.
What?
For my family and friends and life. I'm good.
All
Okay.
right.
I'm thankful for my family.
Oh.
Yay.
I guess so.
Okay.
Give me
And
that.
Yeah, you, Marlon.
Last but not least, Marlon.
Oh, Marlon.
Well, I'm thankful that we're alive and everybody got a chance to enjoy another Thanksgiving, because there's a lot of people that can't say the same. So
That's right.
thankful that we're all together, and hopefully we can have many days like this.
That's right.
Okay, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hey, will you guys choose me?
MB
Yeah.
Trucker 68.
Yeah,
Gone.
good job, guys.